Hello guys, welcome back. In this section we are going to continue in our Django database relationship, specifically about foreign keys. Okay, so last class we had a look on one-to-one relationship, and this one we're going to have a look on man-to-one relationship. One that's when one model can have multiple objects attached or related to him. Okay, for example, one classic example would be sale, okay, for our project, okay, our small project. So, uh, in this case here, we can define, for example, one class called sale that will write from models.model, okay, and then I'll have, for example, sale number. That could be models dot char field with max length of like 10 characters, and I can have the client that will be our relationship. So models dot foreign key, like this, foreign key, and then I assign what's the client for this guy. What else we can have here? We can have the date when the sales happen, so models dot date and time field. Okay, so it will automatically get the date and time. I think we had one previous example like this. Date field, no, just date field. So I think we have the auto now add like this. I think something like this. If not, Junk will complain anyway. And it's asking about the on delete, the same thing. So um, if you go here and on delete, Django has the option to cascade, but I think in this case we don't want to cascade. What else? Other options we can have? Cascading. Django is always cascading in the examples. Let me try false. So let's say that we don't want to remove the sales when we cascade that. So let's try false if Django will accept. Restart the server. On delete. No, seems that Django will require another thing. So I'll get that models dot cascade. Let's keep this away for now. Oops, never. Actually, we are putting in the wrong place. We should be including the on delete here, not in the date. So maybe now the false might happen. Let's see. Yeah, seems to be fine. Let's see. Okay, so sales number, the client, the date. We can store, for example, the total. Of course, not a good idea storing calculated values, but it's just for examples and our example purpose. So we can, I think we have a decimal field here. Let's just copy it and paste. Okay, so sales, so number, client, date, and total. I think it's enough. Let's define one str um, function. So str, so return self.sale number. It's enough for us for now. Okay, so as always, let's do make migration. Okay, create model sale and then migrate and run server. Cool. Let's go to admin and import this model right here, and then sale, and let's put it here. Okay, so sale, very simple, super simple, and then sales. So now we can add a new sale. So sale number 1234, the client, and the total. Okay, but if we add another sale, let's say this number for the same guy, now will be fine. Okay, so I can have more than one sale for the same guy. So let's define one class for this here, because I want to define one small grid for it. So I will have sale admin, and then I will have sale number and as well the client. Okay, I will define both for the other fields, the same for the other fields, like this, really quick. And then I will attach the sale admin to my admin. Let's see if Django complained about anything. No, it didn't complain. So when I refresh here, I know what's the client. Okay, so I can add another one for another guy. Not new. Oh, I forgot to include the total fee in fields. Okay, so let me refresh that right here, like this, and here we go. Okay guys, easy peasy. Okay, if we go just as an example, if I do like python manage.py shell, I can do from I think core.models import everything. If I do sale.objects dot, for example, I get this sale here, that ID2. Okay, get ID equals 2. Okay, I have that sale right there. So if I assign it to a variable, and then I do sale.client, I have this client here. If I do client.id, I know that the client ID is number 3. So if I do c receives client.objects.get id equals 3, okay, looks what very interesting thing we have here. If I do dir of c, dir, it will basically show all the options that we have for this client. I have here the client sales. Let me look for that. Client clean fields, delete.email full salary sale set, this guy. So if I do c.sale set dot all, sorry, so look that now from the client I can get a list of all sales in the database to this client. Okay, if I every time that I create a new foreign key field, Django will provide for me this set field that will basically bring to me out of the box a list of sales related to this client. It's very cool. No, you don't need to create like a specific query for that, or creating your own model, or your own method, because Django will provide it for you out of the box. Okay guys, it's just as a curiosity, the way for you to from the sale access the client, and for the client access the list of all sales that it has in the database. Okay, so that's it for this class, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Implement that in your machine, in your project, and I hope it's working okay when you finish the class. But if not, post it right here that I'm going to help you. Okay, hope you enjoyed this class, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.